Hey, what's up everybody? Here Ivan, gonna do this quick video on how my student is making over 300, 500 per day on CPA counting locking on CPA grip. So yeah, this is his account right here. Let me show you how he does it. I'm just gonna show you a demo video. I'm not gonna go all over this because it's gonna take me a lot of time to explain and everything. So just gonna show you a small demo video. So that's what he's making. That's what he made today, 512.78 on YouTube, free traffic. But yeah, on movies. This is the post that I posted. I think it was last week that people were requesting info. So that's why I made this video. But yeah, he's killing it. He's just starting. This is his first video. He's killing a paper cup. But he told me he wanted to learn CPA marketing too. So okay, I told him, okay, cool. And he did a video right here on the Star Wars, the Rise of Skywalker, the new movie that came, I think it came out on the December the 20th. So he made this video on the 28th, no, sorry, right here on the 7th, before he came out, the movie. So he's killing it right now. Right here, he's getting like 3,000 views, over 3,000 views per day. So that's why he got those results, 500 right now. He started as very warming up the account. I told him to warm up the account first because the movie didn't come out. It wasn't the premiere until the 20th. So on the 20th, he started doing backlinkings. Let me show backlinks. It's very important. Backlinks. What a lot of YouTubers don't tell you when you create like a YouTube channel. They just tell you, hey, put a title, the right title, description, over 8,000 characters, words, and everything. So Google or YouTube will rank you in front of the everything on your niche. If, like example, you put a weight loss niche, you gotta write like an article on the description. So Google will find out that, search all the keywords and everything. It's a mess, I know. My tricks is not like that. That's why I use links and backlinks. They're called backlinks right here. Quality links. So I don't have to do all the nonsense. I pay, not a lot, but I pay like $5. Like right here. I start with this one, 100 backlinks. All these YouTubers tell, hey, put the right, okay, thumbnail too. Okay, that's cool. But when you create a new account, a new YouTube channel, you cannot put a thumbnail until maybe a couple months, I think. They first want to see if you're serious. You gotta first warm up the account and then put back. It's a mess on YouTube. I was gonna do a course on YouTube, but I'm always busy on something else. But yeah, you just gotta put the link right here on your YouTube video, and right here, like the one right here, it's called Star Wars, the new movie. Just put right here the keywords, Star Wars, exactly, Star Wars, the Rise of Skywalker. To be honest, I don't even like this movie, but a lot of people like it. It's been around for a long time. Just put the right keywords. I think it's spelled like, how do you spell it? Skywalker. All together, I don't know. Just put it right there. And that's it. Pay. They will take everything right here. You can start with 100 quality comments, links. And then go right here on the second one. It's another $5, I think. The next day, just do this one. If you don't know about backlinks, wow, it's something different. It's right here to show you this is your YouTube channel, and it shares to all the social media networks, like social signals, social, what's it called, bookmarks. It's very in. Wow, you guys are missing out on this. That's why a lot of my students been telling me, hey Ivan, how come I do a video, I'm trying to brand myself on this, when I was involved in the BizOps? It's because you're not doing backlinking. What's backlink? It's like SEO. Right here, search engine optimization. You're not doing this. You're not doing that. That's why you're not getting a lot of views on your videos and nothing. Oh, really? And yeah, it's all about that. But I saw a lot of YouTubers that just say, put the right title, put the right tags. But nah, it's not true. There's more stuff involved that they don't want to tell you. So yeah, you gotta share your website or your YouTube video to all these blogs, social media, and this, and YouTube will put in front pages of that niche that you're promoting. So that's how I do it on videos and everything, and CPA marketing. But yeah, there's another $25 for blogs, social signals. I use a lot of social signals. They share on Twitter, on Reddit, social shares. Right here, the website they share. Hey, it's very cheap. $5. Come on, guys. You rather pay on YouTube ads? It's more expensive to be honest. But usually on YouTube ads, I usually promote high ticket programs. But yeah, this works, people. Like $40 a month. Come on, guys. People are wasting on solo ads, like, I don't know how much, like 300, 400, I don't know. And they don't have results. They just got leads, but they don't have results. They don't have sales, that's what I mean. So, sorry. Wow, I was sick this day, so I'm a little bit still under the weather. But yeah, this works, people. Black hat links. Right here, the link. And right here, Fiverr. I use Fiverr. A lot of people don't use Fiverr because the traffic is very cheap and not quality. But you gotta test. I tested a lot. This one that works for me. Backlinks. This one. This guy, I've been for him for a long time. And Conquer. It's like Fiverr. Conquer.io. Innate. Oh, this is awesome. You share your YouTube chat, your YouTube video to all these blogs, social medias, and everything. This guy, I think, charges like $5. It's very important. This is when you share your when you make a video. That's what I do. I don't even have to, like, when I do other niches, like on the weight loss, I don't even have to put my face there. I just go right here and promote it, and they will rank it more faster. And when YouTube sees that you guys when they see that there's a lot of engagement, comment, likes, and shares, they will boost it up in front of the pages of YouTube of your niche. I don't know if you're promoting a weight loss, like I told you, if you're a motivational speaker or whatever, BizOps too, and SEO clerks. I use SEO clerks, but I don't know, it's kind of expensive. Usually SEO clerks gets all these gigs. If you're getting a gig from them, they get it for Fiverr or Conquer. It's more cheaper right here. That's why I don't go a lot with SEO clerks. But yeah, it works, people. You just gotta, these YouTubers I've been seeing, you just gotta put the right title. Yeah, it's true. Thumbnail, true. But you will get like this kind of results, like this, first, this, like this, at least 300 per day. But if you wanna scale it up, do all this, backlinking. So that's what I've been seeing. What a lot of YouTubers been saying, put the right keywords and everything, the right tags and everything, and that's it. Like Not true. It takes time to do all that. No, it takes, you're gonna get like maybe 300 or 100 per day. But if you want a thousand like at least, do this. Do the backlinking and it will work. To be honest. Yeah, 16. Yeah, it's awesome. He's killing this. One of my best students. He was the last one. And I thought he wasn't going to make nothing online because he told me he was involved in the MLM business. And he was tired on the recruiting nightmare. I was tired. So that's why when I saw your video, cool, I joined with you. And yeah, he's awesome. I one of my best students I have. But yeah, try all this, people. If you want to learn how to do a CPA grip campaign, just go right here. Where is it? I did it. I don't know. I did it a couple of weeks right here on my Facebook. I posted on my Facebook. What? I don't even recall. I think it was like 2 months ago. I don't recall. Yeah, it must be here. Just search. Oh, this one. Yeah. On the 19th October, right here. Yeah, on YouTube is very powerful. Free traffic. But you gotta know how. Like this one, multiple streams of income. I was blogging, CPA country logging, and because usually Google AdSense pay you for blogging too, not just YouTube views. I was doing YouTube views, blogging, and CPA content right here. So 3-in-1, multiple streams of income. It's awesome blogging too. This year, 2020, happy New Year's to everybody that I didn't have the chance to tell them. But yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of YouTube, like Google Trends. Google Trends is freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Nobody knows about Google Trends. So it's a secret that nobody, I think just one or two have been seen that have been saying that they know. It's freaking awesome. Freaking a lot of passive income, autopilot money. You don't have to do shit. You don't have to worry about, I know a lot of you guys are involved in the MLM, network marketing, best ops, and you freaking tired of the messages that a lot of people been sending you. Hey, I know what's up. I was involved in that. That's why I tried to decide to learn CPA marketing, pay-per-call, all the niches on passive income. So yeah, check this video out so you can learn how to do a campaign on CPA grip, and my YouTube channel. Just go right here, youtube.com/Ivan Ramirez, and search on, where is it? It must be here. Oh, okay, right here. How to get free money on giving away free stuff online with CPA County Locking. Check that so you can get the picture of what I'm talking about right now. But yeah, people, sky's the limit. Just focus and take action, people. If you don't take action, you're just seeing YouTube videos all day and not taking action, you're never gonna be successful in this game online. So that's my advice for 2020. Yeah, subscribe to my channel too if you want. I'm coming with some new content, and some new content right here in 2020 on YouTube, especially on YouTube. Free traffic, not paid traffic. I do paid traffic, but mostly free traffic. I'm trying, because I know people that they like free traffic. Since I got my training course, everybody tell me, hey, how do you promote free traffic or paid traffic? I said both, but mostly free traffic. Boom. They will buy my course right away, because it's true. That's what I like. But I can teach you too paid traffic. It's more faster, but you gotta invest a lot of money too. But yeah, thanks for watching this quick video, and peace.